I'm just trying to go live and then I think it's working though. Hear me always repeat. Yeah, that's how I know I'm on. All right, let's go, guys. I'm on now. I'm on now. Let in the others. All right. So same procedure now, guys. Still WhatsApp me your answers and something and still volunteer. Everything are the same. Just that we are share for students. Because guys, the number of students that call me and say, sir, you're not helping me out. And I say, how can I help you? You're not in my class. And then say, when you go live? So luckily, you guys are generous and say me can go live. So they can share with us. All right. So you say a cow is tied to a post in the middle of a flatbed. If the rope is several meters long, which shape shows where the cow can feed with the rope fully extended?
Excuse me, sir?
Yeah, man, go ahead, Roger.
No, sir, it's Jacqueline.
Oh, it's Jacqueline that. Okay.
Can I send you in the
WhatsApp?
chat?
No WhatsApp today?
No.
All right. We work with it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Send you already.
All right, no problem. I think somebody parent was calling me. Guys, it's the regular password we use on the regular class. The only time we use a different password is when I'm marathon. Because I realize persons are calling me and say they can't get on, and I'm saying, what? And then I realize what they're using.
Sir, when I don't remember the password, like just a while ago, I look back in the message that you sent me.
Thank you. That is so easy.
Sir, I rarely forget my Zoom passwords unless it's the number.
Oh, yeah.
Sir?
Because when everyone calling me, guys, it's rough on me. Because when, like, my phone will be ringing and then I see somebody else calling and then the next person calling and I haven't answered that one as yet. So it kind of rough. Okay, all right. So that's it. Oh, can we get a volunteer for this? A cow is tied to a
Me.
post in the middle of a flatbed. Really carefully now, guys. This one is tricky. If the rope is several meters long, which shape shows where the cow can feed with the rope fully extended?
Ooh.
Fully extended. So I want you guys to imagine the cow. Moo. Just imagine that.
Mm.
Somebody said them new. I wasn't expecting anyone new.
Nothing over there. Nothing
I'll
over
be
there.
the volunteer, sir.
All right. All right, go ahead, volunteer.
I would say B.
B as in bat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the reason?
Reasoning being, it has the highest points. So I would do it from the top of B all the way down to B, all the way down to the bottom of B.
Okay. Thanks so much. Do we agree, class? She said B as in bat. We don't know if we agree or not.
Agree.
All
So
right.
I would choose D, sir.
D as in dog. All right. What's the reason for D?
Sir, because the square cell is a lot bigger than the rest of the shapes, sir. So
But
it's
look what
simple,
the
sir.
question
If you
says.
draw a
But guys, they didn't ask for which is bigger, you know. They say basically where would the cow able to go?
The
So a
cow is
cow
not
is
going to be in the bottom. It's going to be in the middle.
so what you think, Roger? What would be the answer?
I didn't really thought of it, but like
But you say it's not gonna be in the bottom, it's gonna be in the middle. So what's the reason? Why you think that it's
I
gonna
think
be in the middle?
excuse me, sir.
What you think, Roger?
Excuse me, sir.
sir,
Yeah,
I
man, go
think the
ahead.
answer is A. Excuse me,
A
sir.
as in
Same here, sir. I
apple.
think my
Sir,
answer
I
is
agree with A.
All right.
sir, because when you look at it, sir, the cow would be in the middle, right, sir? Sir, and if it's several meters, sir. So, sir, imagine, sir, draw like a circle in A, sir, right in the middle, sir. And then you have a little long pole, sir, and it says which shape shows where the cow can feed with the rope fully extended. If I extend a line on one of the sides, sir, the cow would be able to feed, sir. And there's enough space there, sir. So it's it.
All right. Let me give my opinion on it, guys. And I
Sir,
like
that's what
to.
I think it is A.
All right. Let's look at this
Excuse
That's
me,
then.
what
sir.
I said too, sir.
Sir, I agree with A.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go
Sir,
ahead.
Agree.
Sir, I
Sir, I
said
agree
B
with A.
because it's more likely a flat surface.
But
And the
is
field is more likely a flat surface
all
too.
right, let's just look at it. Let us imagine it. So let us say this is the post, right? It says that it's fully extended. The rope should be fully extended. So if it's fully extended, it would be something like this. Agree? Agree, guys?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let's think about all the places where the cow can actually go from this post with the rope. Wouldn't it be like something like this? You can go so, because that's it. You can go so. You can go so. You can go so. You can go so. You can go all of them places here, you know. So what shape would eventually form based on where you can go?
Yes.
Sir, sir, you're saying it.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, I think the answer is C, sir, because since the cow is
Having class?
Brian, I think Brian, somebody might open one.
Sir, me, sir.
I'm
Me,
not sure
sir,
if
or
it's
the other
Brian.
one.
I'm not sure, but somebody might open.
So
And
I
I
would choose C, sir, because you don't know how long is the cow's rope, and
it
it
doesn't
might be
matter.
long.
It has a maximum where it can go, right? So
Yes,
it can
sir. Can I
only go
explain, sir?
it can go all the
Wait,
way
sir, wait,
around.
sir. Wait, sir, if it's in the center and it go all around, and it's a flat field, sir, it can go around, and then it makes a circle, sir. So the answer would be C, not A, B, or D.
Yeah. It's
But if the
definitely
fence is now, you could say it would be like C
Sir,
or
can I
something.
play number 22, sir?
Yeah, you can. All right, this one says on a bus from Ocho Rios to Kingston. Somebody mic is open, guys. I'm gonna have to mute that person, you know.
This, sir, is the.
Yeah,
Sir, just
don't
mute everybody.
Sir, can I do 22?
yeah, Kira smarty pants. Alright, so it says on a bus from Ocho Rios, Kingston, the cost for the fare was $1,000. Every seat had a paying passenger. What additional information do you need to find the total fares collected? A says the number of collectors on the bus. B, the number of passenger seats on the bus. C, the distance from Ocho Rios to Kingston. D, how fast the bus travel. I think we can do that in 2 minutes, guys.
B, sir.
No, we
Miss
don't do it
B.
like that,
Not
Peru.
Miss.
Guys, we don't do it like that. Send it to me.
Sir, B.
No, man, we don't do it like that, guys. We don't call out the answer. WhatsApp. Everybody work it out for themselves. Or reason it out for themselves. We don't deny somebody the opportunity to think for themselves. That's the worst thing can happen in a class. So each person
Excuse me, sir.
will do it and then we have somebody explain. But we don't just randomly call out the answer because we think we know it also. All right? We don't do it like that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead,
Excuse me,
Damar.
sir.
Go ahead.
Which number are we at?
22.
Okay.
So we're on 22.
Sir, I sent you mine.
Thanks so much, Mia.
Me too, sir. I sent you mine.
Yeah, man, thanks, guys. We're gonna compare. This one is pretty straightforward, you know.
Mine to sir, I send you mine.
Israel, sir, I sent you mine.
Yes, sir. I sent you mine as well, sir.
Everybody got the same answer. All the ones that I've looked on, the person with the 212, you can text me a name. I'm not sure who that is.
Sir, I don't see you on WhatsApp.
Sir, I sent you
I am on
mine.
WhatsApp, guys. I'm
So
on
I
WhatsApp.
sent mine too, sir. I
Yeah, man, I
don't see
know,
you
guys. I
online
know.
on
I'm not
WhatsApp,
gonna call
sir.
out. I'm not gonna call out everybody grade like what we normally do.
Just
Oh, Revin. All
go
right,
in the
Revin.
search bar.
Yeah, Revin. All right, so it's Revin. All right, Revin, I soon save your number here. So Kira, go ahead. Guys, more I do explanation than go to
Okay,
each
sir. So
person.
obviously the answer is B, the number of passengers
Why?
seats on the bus, sir.
Why?
Because it was on a bus from Ontario to Kingston. The cost per fare was $1,000. Each seat had a paying passenger, so that means every seat on the bus,
Sir, I said
someone
mine.
was sitting
Seriously?
there, and there was a paying person, and they were also a paying passenger, sir. So it says, what additional information do we need to find the total fares collected? Sir, I looked at A. We do not need to know the number of collectors on the bus. We want to know how much money was collected,
Yeah,
not how much collectors were on the bus.
I agree.
So I looked at C, the distance from Ontario to Kingston. Sir, that won't help us find the total number of fares collected, sir. And sir, it has D, how fast the bus traveled, sir. That would not help us at all to find the total number of fares collected. So I saw B, and just by looking at it, sir, I didn't even have to go through the rest. I knew that B was the correct answer, the number of passenger seats on the bus, sir, because it was $1,000 for each. Sir, if we knew how much passengers were there, sir, we could have calculated it by timesing the number of passengers on the passenger seats on the bus by the cost of the fare, and then the
I totally agree with you. Guys, I don't need to add anything.
Yes, like
Well, I think
yes, sir.
99% chose B. Somebody chose D, you know, guys. What's up with that? What's up with that? I wasn't expecting anyone to choose D.
B.
Because what's the distance
How
gonna
it
help
was
you with?
supposed
Or
to.
how fast the bus travel? How is that gonna help us with the fear? It's a fear.
That's
in
what
it.
I'm
Sir,
saying
sir,
to you, sir.
Check my
I
answer,
chose
sir.
B.
What does that have to do with the fear?
Yeah, guys, what I'm saying, guys, we're not gonna check it like that. Like we normally respond and say this person correct. We're not doing it like that again, right? We just are gonna go through it. We read it. You send the answer. Then one person explain, and then we say if we agree or disagree. But we're not gonna be calling each person name. All right.
Excuse me,
All
sir.
right.
I sent mine WhatsApp.
As Mr. Deshaun, I saw it.
Same here,
I
sir.
think you chose D, Deshaun. All right, 23 says 100 people
Little
purchase a
Addy.
certain product. More than half of these people were females. Which of these expressions best represent the number of females who purchased the product to the number of males who purchased the product? Still WhatsApp me, guys, but we're not gonna be doing the individual, so like how we normally do.
Sir,
Guys,
there's
who
a
want
volunteer
who
for
want
this
to
one.
complete more questions, guys? That's my reason for doing that. I know persons like to
Sir,
hear
there's
the
a
name
volunteer for
called
this
and
one.
say correct. Hmm? So you say 100 people purchase a
Sir,
certain
can I
product.
explain my answer for this one?
Yeah, Rajay will explain this one. Rajay, give them 2 more minutes to send in their answers and then you can go ahead, all right? It's 100
Yes, sir.
people purchase a certain product. More than half of these people were females. Which of these expressions best represents the number of females who... Oh, big up everybody on YouTube, guys. At your class, we can get fee in the comment section with you guys. But big up everybody. Wishing everybody all the best on Thursday. All right? Let's go and put in the work, guys.
Sir, what's happening Thursday? Sir, what's happening Thursday?
Oh, grade 6 exam, mental ability.
Yeah, my pep is Thursday.
Sir, Thursday
All the way up to
Thursday is our
April.
exam?
Mine too. Mine too.
It's grade 6 only.
Yes, sir, but I'm in grade 6 and I didn't know.
What?
Well, I forgot then.
Okay. But the good thing you are preparing, and that's the key. Like guys, students call me and crying, you know. I don't really know them, but they call me and cry and say they want help and so. And this is what I tell them. Preparation is the key. You don't
Sir,
need to
is this
cry.
ratio?
You don't need to panic. Here, guys, you don't need to cry. You don't need to panic. You just need to be prepared. Once you are prepared, you will be successful. That's the key. Same thing with CXC, any exam, anything in life. If you're going on an interview, same thing, right? You wake up early, dress this, that, prepare your feet, you're properly attire, all of that. You do your research on the company. Everything in life is about preparation. So once you are prepared, you will do excellent. All right? So you don't need to be crying and panicking on them something. All right? And like I put up the video of how to calculate the grade, and a boy texts me and say I should put one with some low grades. Oh.
Sir,
But
can I
it's the same method. Go ahead, Raji.
Okay, so it says, so let me tell you my answer first. My answer is A. So the reason why I picked A, it says 100 people purchased a certain product, right? More than half of these people were females. And it says which expression best represents the number of females who purchased the product to the number of males who purchased the product. So it cannot be B because it cannot be half to half. It cannot be B. And it cannot be C because it cannot be 9 to 10 because female purchased more. And it cannot be D because there would be more males who purchased than female if it was D. But no, it could be A because more females purchased the product than males. So 11 would be females and 9 would be males.
Very good. I don't need to add to that, guys.
I agree.
Yeah, I agree totally. Because the number of females must be larger. Because someone asked me if it was ratio. Yes, guys. It's ratio in real life. Students always have say maths and a real life something. But you guys see it for yourselves. Ratio in life and living colors. But the number of girls must come first. Thanks so much, Rajay. Guys, you know he's in grade 5, right?
So you know that the ratio helped me with this one?
Yeah, it's ratio. But it's a real life ratio.
Sir, I didn't know that I had to use ratio. I just used my prior knowledge.
Okay, awesome. That's how smart you guys are. You can
Excuse
do
me, sir.
anything. Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, class over in at 8 today.
No, that's Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So in a triangle, if we probably can go a little beyond 6 o'clock, you know, guys. But I know people always gonna text me and say they had made plans or something. In a triangle, the sum of the length of two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side. If the lengths of two sides of the triangle are 5 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively, which of the following could not be the length of the third side of the triangle? This one causes a little problem. I think I don't like how it's structured, but I think I get the idea of what they're saying. Oh, guys, please remember to put the number beside it. See if we can touch in the in a YouTube comment section and big up some people. All right, let me see. What heap of people there, man? Thompson, big up yourself, Thompson. Michelle, Rodian Francis, Karen Jackson, Kimk, Michael, big up yourself, Savannah Demir, Nadisha Gray, Kevin King, big up yourself as well, Abriel Morrison. Miss nobody? Those are the persons in the comment section on YouTube. But me not see no answer, man. You know, I'm gonna type other stuff. I think you know the work with we. I wanna go on with YouTube, man. My students give me permission to share with
I
the
type
new.
mine in the WhatsApp, sir.
All right. So this is what the persons are saying.
Sir, can I explain this one?
Yeah, man, you can.
Sir, I sent mine in the WhatsApp.
Can I
Guys,
explain
may I read
second
for
to
you
her?
guys. May I root for everyone, all right?
Sir,
So go
I
and put
sent
it
mine.
below.
Sir,
Yeah, man, you're
sir,
ready.
can I read second to her?
All right, so two persons will see. So most persons are choose a particular letter. All right, Rodine Francis. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. So presenter, ready?
Yes,
Let the
sir.
female go first, Rajay, because she's supposed to be the original one.
Yes, sir.
All
She
right. What's
first.
the answer? All right, thanks. What's the answer and why?
Okay, my answer is D, sir, because it says, in any triangle, the sum of the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the
Yeah.
side. If the length of the two sides of the triangle are 5 and 9 centimeters respectively, which of the following could not be the length of the third side of triangle? So, sir, it means that when you add up the the length by the width, sir, the third side should not be greater than it. Sir, so I had up the 9 plus the 5, sir, and I got 14. So I got 14. So
Okay, so that's the reason. All right, go ahead, Rajay. Thanks so much.
yes,
She thinks
So
it's
my answer is B, because it says the sum of any triangle, two sides must be equal. That means that two sides must be equal than the length of the third side. If the length of two sides is 5 and 9, respectively, which of the following could not be the length of the third side of the triangle? Sir, I didn't read that properly.
All right, so you want to check it back. All right, go ahead. You can read back again, man.
Excuse me, sir, can I explain then?
All right, Tell you what, Rajay. Cassidy is gonna go in the meantime, and then you regroup. Go ahead, Cassidy.
Okay, so the answer is D, 15 centimeters, because it says in any triangle, the sum of the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side, which means that 15 is larger than 9 and 5, so that wouldn't be the length of the third side. Because the two sides are supposed to be greater than the third side.
I got D2, sir.
But he said equal to or greater than. He never say can't be greater than, right? He said equal to or greater than. All right, go ahead, Rajay. I think you leave off the part where you say or greater than. You're only saying greater
Sir,
than. Yeah, man, go ahead. I don't like how it is structured doing it. It's left room for misinterpretation. That's why I don't like this one. But go ahead, Raji.
Can you explain?
So I think it's also 15.
All right, what's the reason for 15? Same reason?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I
Alright.
explain?
Yeah, go ahead, Bailey.
So, sir, the answer I got is the question says if any triangle, the sum of the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side. If the length of two sides of a triangle are 5 cm and 9 cm respectively, which of the following could not be the length of the third side, sir? So you're going to try find the one that could not be the length of the third side. So, sir, it basically says the two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side. So, sir, 5 could work.
5 and 5,
8
10. Oh, 5 work. 5 and 5,
because
10. I'm just trying to understand the reason. How you do it.
sir, because one of the side equals 5.
So you're saying this could be 5. So 5 is your answer?
No, sir, 15.
Sir, can I say something?
Yeah, go ahead, Smarty Pants.
Yes, sir. So my answer is as what most of them said, D, 15, sir. Sir, so it says the sum of the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater to the third side. So it has to be equal to or greater to, but those two sides have to be equal. So it says if the length of two sides of a triangle are 5 and 9 centimeters respectively. Sir, so it can maybe be within or between 5 and 9, sir. So it could either be 6, 7, or 8, sir. So, sir, let's try with 6, sir. We put 6, so two sides would be equal, 6 and 6, sir. We have the 5, put 6 there, please, sir. We have the 9, sir.
Oh, guys, I think when they say the two sides, the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side. They're not saying that the triangle must have two equal sides. I think that's what you're saying, right? If one is, it must have the same side. I don't think that's what they're saying,
They must be equal to or greater than the length of the third
But
side.
they say the sum. They say the sum of the length. So it's not just one of them, it's the sum of the length of any two sides. Go ahead, Osira. I don't like this question, guy. I don't like it. Go ahead, Osira.
Sir, my answer is D, 15 centimeters, because it said in any triangle, the sum of the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side. So if the length of the two sides of the triangle are 5 and 9 respectively, which of the following could not be the length of the third side of the triangle? So it said which of the following could not be the length of the triangle of the third side of the triangle, sir. So it would have been D, 15, because when you add up the 5 and the 9, you would have got 14, and in the above sentence it said that the sum of the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side. 5 plus 9 is 14. It could not be 15 because 15 is greater than 14. And it said the third side of the triangle cannot be greater than the other two sides.
But they didn't say cannot, they say must be equal to or greater than. They didn't say cannot. So I think...
No, sir, I said that the third side cannot be greater than the other two sides.
Thanks so much. This is what I'm saying. All right, go ahead. One more person and then I say what I think.
Sir, my answer is 15 because if They said in any triangle, the sum of the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side. So that means if the lengths of two sides of a triangle are 5 and 9 respectively, which of the following could not be the length of the third side of the triangle? So my answer is 15 because they said that if the two sides of the triangle are 5 and 9 respectively, that means that the third side should not be greater than the other two sides. So that's how I got my answer.
All right. Thanks so much. Let me tell you what I think, guys. And it's against what everyone says. And this, I'm going to explain why I said that. Listen to what this says. In any triangle, the sum, so the sum mean you add, right? The sum of the length of any two sides must be equal to, they say must. This is a must. Is either equal to or greater than the length of the third side. If the lengths of the two sides of the triangle are 5 and 9 respectively, which of the following could not be? I say it's 3. It could not be 3 because they say it must be equal to or greater than. All of these could be equal to because 5 is the lowest one, right? So I think it cannot be less than 5 because they literally said it cannot be. They said it must be equal to or greater than. Now the sum of these are 14. 15 is greater, right? So the or and greater mean equal to or greater mean it can be more. So persons are saying it cannot be more. They actually say it must be more. So I agree with Brian. Brian, and I think somebody on the something named Michael on YouTube was saying A as well. I think it's A.
I still don't understand how you got the three, sir.
Let me explain again. See somebody from YouTube say A as well. But
Sir,
we just got it, guys.
I
Because what?
switch my answer.
I agree with
That's
you.
not sure why I still think it's three, sir, though.
All right. Well, I know I love clarity, you know, guys. Before we go to the next one, think about it, guys. It said in any triangle, the length of any two sides must be equal to or greater to the length of the third side. So it's the third side we're looking for, right? And they say that the third side, it must be equal to or greater than. When you say or greater than mean, it can be equal to or more. So the fact that the sum is 14 and this is 15, 15 is eligible because 15 is greater. But it can be less. They say it must be equal to or greater than the length of the third side. So unless I don't like the question though. I don't think it's structured properly, but I think this would be the best option. So you can
Sir, I
Sir,
got
got
the
my answer for
25.
Sir, I got my
25.
answer too.
All right. But make everybody try it first. So it said, leaving her office, Amanda took the elevator 5 floors up to a meeting. She then went 12 floors down to the cafeteria. The cafeteria is located on the 4th floor. On which floor is Amanda's office located? Is it the 5th floor, the 3rd floor, the 11th floor, or the 10th floor?
The third floor, sir.
Oh, Provost, we don't do it like that. What make everybody get a chance first to send it in and then we discuss like that, right? We don't want persons to just pick an answer because you said that. So everyone work it out and then we can see if we can go through it together, right?
Sir, may I explain this question, sir?
All right, you're the first to ask, so yeah, no problem.
Sure, I said mine.
Yeah, man, no problem. Dana, have your hand up or it was from a long time?
So it was from long time.
Okay, okay, all right, no problem.
Sir, I have an answer.
Yeah, man, just say
Sir,
it.
I sent you mine in the chat.
All right, thanks so much. I didn't remember persons are using the chat, you know. Let me check it out. What's the answer? So anything, guys. We can give another 3 minutes to complete it, or 4. 3. There's no one in the waiting room though. Let's see if she Cassidy. She's not in a waiting room. Alright, so guys, when the time comes, we're gonna put Kira on the board and on the floor and see what's up with that. I would be very interested to see how we work out this one in particular. More people up on YouTube. Big up, man. Big up. Crowded, guys. Guys on YouTube, why are you guys arguing in the comment section? All right, I see back Cassidy. All right, so Kira, I'm gonna put Kira back on the floor, and then we see. I would love to hear the explanation for this one. Ready, Kira? Ready? I'm not hearing her at all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kira, ready?
Sir, I'm here.
All right, you can
Sir,
begin.
I'm here. Sir, I'm here.
Yeah, man, go ahead. For 25.
Sir, did you say Kiara or Kira?
Well, excuse me, sir.
Oh,
Can I do 26?
yeah, you can. Who had volunteer? Was it Kira or Kiara?
Sir,
Oh, yeah. I think I
Excuse
got the
me,
right
I
name.
sent you on WhatsApp.
All right, Kimoya. Thanks so much.
sir,
So my Kira no figure it out, you know.
Sir,
my answer is C. 11th sir.
may I,
Because
sir? Sir, may I?
Wait, Raji, let me see what she's saying. You finished, Kira?
Sir, can
sir,
answer.
no, sir. Sir, my answer is C. 11th floor. Because, sir, it says leaving her office, Amanda took the elevator 5 floors up. So I use 11 and added 5 to it. So she's on the 11th floor and she went 5 floors up to go to my meeting. So she went on the 16th floor to go to her meeting. She then went 12 floors down to the cafeteria, and we know which floor the cafeteria is located on. So from the 16th floor, I would take away 12, sir, because she went 12 down, which equals to 4, sir. So, sir, and we know that the cafeteria is located on the 4th floor. So I knew that Amanda's office would be located at the 11th floor. It couldn't be D10 because, sir, 10 plus the 5th floor, sir, is 15, and 15 take away 12 is 3, sir. And it couldn't be the 3rd floor, sir, because 5 plus 3 is 8, and 12 take away 8, that would not give you 4, sir. And same thing for the 5, sir, it would give you the same result, 4, sir. And same thing for the 5, sir, 5 plus 5, which is 10, and then 16 take, and then 12 take out 12 take away 10, so will not give us 4, sir. So my
Okay,
answer
thanks
is
so
C.
much. All right. So Raji wanted to explain. What you got, Raji?
Sir? Sir?
Go ahead. You're declining now. Let me know so I can move on.
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah, what you got, Davia?
I got C as well.
Oh, you did it same way?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Anybody got C and did it a different way? I want to take the floor.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. iPad 10. Why somebody don't name themselves? iPad 10. Go ahead.
What, sir? Wait, sir. You mean different?
No, I mean as in what you got for your answer.
11th floor.
Yeah, but that's the same way you did it like what Kira and Raji did.
Like,
Yes.
how did you set it up?
Yeah.
I also did it that way.
Okay. Anybody did it a different way?
Another way at first,
Right.
sir, which took longer, sir.
Okay.
I did it a simpler
Jamar,
way.
don't do that, Jamar. All right, let me show you an alternate, guys. I agree that it is 11, by the way. Good job. So it says you're gonna do it from the opposite. So we're gonna start with the 4th floor because that's where she located, right? So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna do the inverse of whatever is happening. So it says she went 12 floors down. So we're gonna do the opposite of 12 floors down. What's the opposite of 12 floors down?
Sir, plus additions.
Up. Very good.
You're gonna add 12 plus 4, so you're
Yeah.
gonna start from the bottom and do the opposite. I know that
Yeah.
method.
So that would be 16, right? So she's at 16. But what did she do to go up to 16? Then from under took the elevator 5 floors up.
You're gonna subtract 5 from the 16, sir.
Yeah. So you do the opposite. Deshaun, mute your mic, please.
Excuse me, sir.
Deshaun Campbell, mute your mic.
Excuse me, sir.
Since you're 16, you're going to take away the 5 from the 16, give you the 11th floor. So that would be your answer, sir.
Yeah. I agree, Brian. So
Excuse
guys,
me,
remember,
sir,
you know, Alia,
That's
we are
what
doing
I
the
got for
opposite.
my answer.
Okay, we are doing the opposite of whatever happened, right? Because we know where they ended. They ended up at the 4th floor. So since we know that they ended up at the 4th floor, we're gonna do the opposite of what she did to get to the 4th floor. That will take her back to her original spot. So she went down by 12, so we went up back by 12. And then since she had gone up by 5, we're gonna go down by 5. So 16 take away the 5 would give us the 11. All right. So I agree that it's 11. Let's look at 26. Below the number displayed on Marvin's calculator, what number should he add to increase the digit in the thousand place by 4? So I want you guys to do that one.
Sir, I'm the one who volunteered for this one.
Okay, what's your name?
Nathan.
Oh, Nathan, why you not renaming yourself? You're just coming
Excuse
to
me,
the
sir.
iPad and do it. Yeah,
Excuse
man,
me,
go
sir.
ahead.
Can I do it after him?
All right. I want to do the next one.
Sir, can I do this one too?
Guys, we don't want 3 persons, especially if it's not a hard one. We don't want 10 persons doing one something. We want to move on.
Yeah, I'll do the next one.
What you guys think? Yeah, you can do the next one instead. Because I think this one is pretty straightforward. If it was a troubled one, like the elevator one and you have different methods, this is just one method you can use to actually get your answer, right? This is knowledge based. Some are knowledge based, not all of them gonna be problem solving.
Sir, what time is class finish?
Every day may I ask that. 6
Huh?
o'clock. 6
Not
o'clock.
every day, sir.
I remember you asking last week.
Me?
Sir, sometimes you make class 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock as well.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we do 4 o'clock to 5. Or 5 to 6. It's scheduled for 6, guys. It's scheduled for 6.
Sir, if they thought gets it incorrect, could I explain that's Brian?
Or, but others asked before you, Brian. So I would have to give them the chance, right?
Okay.
To be fair.
Sir, I said mine, sir.
Okay. Who are the other persons who volunteered? And I say, I don't want it too crowded.
Me, sir.
Dave, yeah. Right. Let me just put your name just in case.
Me, sir.
Alexis as well.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, can I explain it as well?
4 persons proposed. Oh Lord.
Sir, it is not spelled with an I.
Hmm?
Sir, can I
Sir,
explain
can
what
I go
about
last, please?
Sir,
Eh?
Sir, can I go last, please?
All right, Dave, yeah, you go first.
excuse me, sir, can I please go for number 27? That's Brian.
All right. Since as everybody's
Or can
buns
I
up
go
on it.
second after Davia?
But your name is not. Oh, that's Alexis, right? Yeah. Go
Sir.
ahead, Davia. That's Alexis. Yeah, Alexis, you can go.
Sir,
Hi,
sir
sir.
is D.
So,
Sir, my answer is D.
All right. Explain why D, Davia.
Because it says what number should he add to increase the digit in the thousands place by 4? It couldn't be A, B, or C because he wants to increase the digit in the thousands. So you would add 4,000 to increase it by 4.
Okay. Alexis, your time.
Okay, sir. Why I said my answer was also D, and why I said D is because it says that what digit, what number should he add to increase the digit in the thousands place, and because the 4 it says it's by place by 4, it couldn't be A, B, or C because it says the thousands place, so it has to be 4,000.
All right. Who is next? Propose and then Nathan.
So, sir, my answer is also D because they said what number should he add to increase the digit in the thousands place by 4? So because the 3 is in the thousands place, I add the 4,000 to it to increase it. So that's how I got my answer.
All right. Very good. Thanks so much. All right. So, guys, a lot of people texting me, but guys, I can't respond now because I'm on the class. Nathan, your time. Soon respond to everyone. Though.
Sir, my answer is also D, sir.
Okay.
It says what basically the same thing with the that it said which number should he add to increase the digit in the thousand place by 4. Sir, what I did, sir, was add the 3,000 plus 4, sir,
All right. Very good.
which will
I
give you
agree as well.
20.
Because think about it. Guys, you could literally add all the numbers and see which one increase it by that, right? Very good. I agree.
sir, I disagree.
All right. So Brian disagree. What's the answer, Brian?
Sir, my answer is C because it asks you what number should be
he had to increase the digit in the thousands place by 4. So I first added the 400 with the two, two,
Let me write it as you talk.
23,000. No?
Get back in attitude of class, please.
With
Sit down. You want to
55.
3,651.
Yeah,
So you add
51.
400. All right. When you add it, how much you got for the total?
Sir, my answer I got was 24,051.
Sir, can I tell them where I can't be seen?
All right. So she said she wanted to explain why it can't be seen. Go ahead, Kira.
Okay, so why it could not be seen is because you're going to increase it by 4, right? So if we go ahead and use D, sir, could you do the same method, but instead using the digit, which is at D, sir? So you add 23,651 plus 4,000. And it did say okay, so you'd add that, sir. So then you'd have the
Tell me the
you'd have
total.
2,000. Sorry, let me do it step by step. So you'd have the 1, then you'd have the 5, sir, and then you'd have the 6 and 4 plus 3, sir. That would be 7. Sir, why couldn't it be C here, sir? Even though it may seem like it could be C. Sir, it can't be C because, sir, it says what number should he add to increase the digit in the thousands place. So it only wants the digit in the thousand place to be increased, not every other number. And in the answer for C, he actually decreased a number when he added the 6 plus the 4, sir, which is 50, and then that becomes 5 now, not 6, sir. So, sir, that's why it is D, because you only want to increase the digit in the thousands place, not in any other place.
So I'm gonna put it back to Brian. Do you agree now, Brian, based on Kira's explanation?
No, sir, because
Yeah,
it never said. Sir,
I agree with Brian.
sir,
Guys, just give him a chance. Go ahead, Brian. Just give him a chance, guys, before you say.
So
Go
I
ahead.
agree with him, sir.
because they asked you to have the 4 as the thousands placed.
No, it didn't say to put the 4 as the thousand place. It said to increase it by 4.
I agree with Brian because I worked
Increase it
out and
by
I got
4. Yes,
same
increase it by
answer.
4. So that would either make it 6. And it didn't say to put that you want it to be 4 right here. It says what number should he add to increase? Increase to make it bigger. To enhance it to make it bigger. But in the digit in the thousand place should be made bigger by using the number 4.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Can I tell you how you agree with me?
One at a time, guys. One at a time. One at a time.
Excuse me, sir.
Can't you guys speak one at a
time?
Excuse me, sir. Can I
So I
go?
add the
One
4,000
at a
and I'm
time.
changing
Go ahead,
any
Nathan.
of the other digits.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Can I explain why I agree?
Wait. Make Nathan go first. Go ahead, Nathan.
Alright, sir. The reason why I disagree with C, sir, it said what number should he add to increase the digit in the thousand place by 4, sir. Sir, it says that, sir. So if you add 400 plus 2,000, no, 23,650, sir, you know that it would have been sir 4.
Come on, relax and say.
Sir, it would have just put 24,000 and 51, sir. But it said he should add, sir, to increase the
But
digit in the
sir,
thousand place, not
but
in
you
the
have to
hundred
change the
place.
thousand, the
I agree
number in the
with Brian.
thousand place, not
If
the
you, I
not.
disagree with Brian too, sir, because I disagree with him. Sir,
You
if you
don't have a reason to disagree with him.
Sir, I think he's
sir,
using
when you add
confused,
the
sir, because
4,000 plus the 23,650, it would increase the digit in the thousand place.
Yeah, I
sir,
agree with D
also,
though.
sir,
Sir,
it can't be the 4 it wants to be there, sir, because, sir, you see the 4 there, sir, it didn't increase by 4, it only increased by 1 in the thousands place.
Yeah,
Because if we
sir,
added
I
a
agree
1,000 to that,
because
sir,
it's
I
already a
think what it
3,
is to
and if
be.
it's gonna increase, should have been
excuse me,
1.
sir.
Sir,
Guys, somebody quarreling in the background, man. We can't have that. What I'm saying, guys, it's only increased by 1 if we based on what Brian is saying. Because it's already a 3, so it would have been increased by 1 to go to 4.
Sir,
I think I agree with the D.
sir,
Go ahead, Brian, Roger.
sir, I agree with C.
All right, but we disagree though because it clearly say increase the digit by 4.
Sir, is class finished?
I did
No, it's
agree
not.
with C, but now I'm realizing that it's D, sir.
Yeah, man, it's D for
Alright,
real.
so reason why
Guys,
I
those who
agreed
have
that
to
it
go, you
is
can go,
circular.
but we're gonna continue. All right. So you guys who wanna leave class, you can catch the playback whenever you have time. I know class supposed to dismiss, but we're just gonna continue some more. All right. For those who want to stay. All right. It said which digit are most important when determining that 8,923 is greater than 8,884. A says the ones because
Sir, can
3 in
sir,
8,923 is less than 4 in 8,884. B says tens because 8 in the 8,884 is greater than 2 in 8,923. C said hundreds because 9 in the 8,893 is greater than the second 8. They kind of change the number here by mistake. It's supposed to be 8, but yeah, we get it.
sir, can I
1,000
explain?
because both numbers are equal.
Sir, may I explain, sir?
Yeah, we're gonna flow, guys. We're gonna make it flow. What's the answer?
Sir, the answer is C, 100, because the 9 in
Sir, it's C, C.
8,923 is greater than the second 8 in 8,844. Sir, why, sir? 9 holds more value when it comes on to these two numbers, because both two numbers in the have the same value in the thousands place, sir. And sir, the tens and the ones don't count, sir. The second greatest also, sir, would be the 100, sir, and there for those number with the number where the 100 space is the second greatest value, sir, is 8,923.
All right. So what's your answer?
Sir,
Sir,
C as
C as
in
in
yes,
cat.
cat.
it would be C.
It would be
Do
C,
we
sir.
agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, because the 9
Yes,
holds
sir.
more digit than the 8 in the hundreds place.
All right. I agree as well. Guys,
I agree
like our
with
class end, we just gonna make it kind of flow, but we're still gonna discuss, all right? All right, let's go. It says the diagram below show the number of stars
Excuse me,
Vicky.
sir. What be the answer for question 27?
C,
Excuse me, sir.
because 9 is greater than the 8.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Sir, 28, it's B, sir, 9.
Let's look at
Excuse me, sir.
28
Can
then.
I explain? Excuse me, sir. Can I say something for
Sir, I
27
got
real
B,
quick?
9.
Yeah, Cassidy, go ahead.
So, sir, I was saying that there couldn't be an answer, but it would be the more reason to answer there because it says that hundreds because 9 is 8,923 is greater than the second 8 in the in the digit 6,844. I was saying that there couldn't be an answer because the 9 in the first place couldn't represent anything for the 8 in the tens place.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
All right.
Excuse me, sir.
But sir,
Oh,
wait,
guys,
wait,
remember, I
sir,
can't answer now. Those on YouTube, I can't answer now.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, I think I made a mistake.
So it's fine.
What's your answer, Cassidy? What you
Sir,
got
made
for
a
your answer?
mistake, sir. Sorry, sir. I made a mistake when I was reading.
Oh, where are you, man?
Sir, I also
Can
My answer's B,
I,
sir.
can I explain my answer, sir?
28, sir. My answer's B.
All right. We're on to 28 now, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And sir, for my
All
answer's B, sir. 9, sir.
All right. Go ahead,
I
Jonathan.
agree, sir.
Jonathan want to take the floor. Go ahead.
Alright, sir. So, sir, it says here that Russell got more stars than Victor, if I get it correct, but fewer than Dale. So, sir, as we can see for Victor, sir, we can see for
Victor, I
Victor
think it's
5,
Vicky.
sir. So, sir, and it mentioned that Russell got more stars than Victor, sir, or Victor,
Vicky.
whatever you call him. So, sir, it would not be A, sir.
It's Vicky.
Because,
Vicky.
yeah, Vicky, sorry. Thanks for correcting me.
Hmm.
Sir, it cannot be B, sir, A, sir. Sorry, because it did not mention that it should be the same, but Russia should get more, which means that the Russia should not get less than Victor, sir. And it says but fewer than Dale. So, sir, when it mentions fewer, sir, it means least, sir. So as we can see, sir, for Dale, sir, will be 10. And sir, the answer for D and C, sir, it would not be, sir, because since for C is the same, which means that it's less, should be less, not the same, not greater than, but less. So it cannot be C, and plus it cannot be D, sir, because it did not for D, sir, it cannot be D because it did not mention, sir, that it should be more than there. So the answer is book, sir.
Mm-hmm. All right. So you think it's B? Do we
Yes,
agree,
sir.
guys?
Yes,
Excuse
it's supposed to be B.
Sir.
Yeah, man,
Excuse
go
me.
ahead.
The last question now.
Yes, sir.
You want to do this one, Kiara?
Sir?
Excuse me, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, I was saying that someone took number 27 and I was supposed to do number 27, so I was
So
asking
the
if...
logical thing for you to do 29, right?
Yes, sir, that's what I was
All
asking.
right. Yeah, man, of course. That's how it going on, guys. I love that you guys get past fighting
Sir,
for the
can I
answer.
do question 30?
Yeah. So Cassidy with the 30. All right. So you say Jalisa was born in 1962. When she was 20 years old, she went to college. 5 years later, she started her own business. Which expression could you use to calculate the year that Jalisa started her business?
Sir, can I explain this one?
But you just hear Brian said he was supposed to do 27. Somebody end up the 27. So Brian is going to do this one. All right?
Who, me, sir?
Not you,
Explain
Israel. The other
after
Brian.
Brian.
The origin. Yeah, you can. The original Brian, not Israel Brian. Ready, Brian?
Yes.
All right. Someone said they are really tired. All right. That person, you know yourself, you can go here because I don't want to keep you and you're really tired. Class
So,
ended
sir,
10 minutes
we're
ago.
having class until 7 o'clock.
Not necessarily. We just go with the flow, guys. But we don't want to put that time on it. All right. Go ahead, Brian.
Yes, sir.
My answer would be A because it says Jalisa was born in the 1962, and then it says when she was 20 years old, she went to college. 5 years later, she started her own business. Which express could you use to calculate the year that Vanessa started her business? So, sir, it says that she was born on 19, 1962. So, you're going to add the 20 years old with the 1962, which would give you, which would give you, which would give you 1932. Then you're going to add the 5 years later when she started her business. That would represent the number that is going to represent that you're going to add with the number 1982 plus the 5 would give you the year that she started her business. So
Okay.
that year would be 1987.
Okay. All right. Do we agree, guys? Brian think
Yes,
it's
sir.
A?
I
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
my calculations are correct.
Yes, sir.
So when she
Yes, sir.
born, 20 years later, college, and then 5 years later, business.
I was supposed to explain 29
Oh,
after
Lord. Oh, Lord. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, my answer is also A because it says Jalisa was born in 1962. When she was 20 years old, she went to college. 5 years later. So that means that if 5 years later she started her own business, that means that you would have to add the 5 years to the 20 years to not get it then you would and then you would add the 25 to 1962 to see when she started her business, which would be 1987.
All right. Very good. You guys work out the year. Good job. All right. So let's move on to 30. Khalil, circle the numbers on a chart to make a number pattern. What number should Khalil circle next to continue this pattern? So those on YouTube, go and meds it. Those who are here, Cassidy is gonna walk us through this one.
Sir, can I explain after her too, please?
All right, no problem.
Same,
Okay, sir.
sir.
I'm right, sir.
All right, go ahead, Cassidy.
Miss, sir, can I go?
Yeah, man, go ahead, Cassidy.
Okay, sir. I said 45 because each time they are skipping 5. So from 3, they skip 5 to 9. From 9, they skip 5 to 15. From 15, they skip back to 21. From 21,
Oh,
they
sir,
skip
I'm so sorry. I was muted and I never realized.
from 27, they skip to 33. From 33, they skip to 39. So from 39, you need to count 5 that you can know which number you should add. So I count 140, 241, 342, 443, 544. So I'll be at 45.
Okay, go ahead, Cassidy. Thanks so much. That's Dina, right?
All right, sir.
Sir,
So,
can I do next?
Next question.
Sorry
Go
for
ahead.
cutting
as I
you.
was
Go ahead.
Khalil circled numbers and a number pattern. The number pattern will be skipping 6 because 3 plus 6 was 9. 6 plus 9 equals 15. 15 plus 6 equals 21. 21 plus 6 equals 27. 27 plus 6 equals 33. 33 plus 6 equals 39. So 13 plus 6 is 45.
All
Sir,
right.
my answer is
So the
B,
answer
sir.
is B, 45.
All right. Very good. I agree as well. All right. So
Sir, I
let's
agree with
see
them.
if we can go
Sir,
down
me
to
as
the
well,
next
sir.
one. Rajay, we don't need 3 persons to
Me,
do
sir, me
that
as well,
one,
sir.
man. Do
No,
this
sir.
Sir,
one.
me as well.
I meant I agree
Sir,
as well.
sir,
Oh,
Sir, me
okay,
you
as
were
okay.
well,
supposed to
sir. Me
explain.
as well, sir. Me as well,
Sir,
sir.
mute
All right,
everyone.
guys. Well, on, guys, let's move on to 30. 31. We don't want to be stuck at that one. All right, it said, Ari studied a different subject each day according to this pattern. Use it to answer question 31. Day 1, English language. Day 2, science. Day 3, social studies. You guys can actually copy this timetable, you know, and study because these are the subjects you're doing. English, science, social studies, mathematics. English, science, social studies, mathematics. Which subject will he study on day 21? Let me check on YouTube and see what they want to say. Which subject would he study on day 21? I want to see in the comment section. YouTube, put the number. So put 31 and then the letter. And then we're going to put someone on the floor from our end. All right, I'm going to the comment section. Hey, them youth up on YouTube, when you couldn't in my class, you know. I'm telling you, Jamaica is in a very sad place. Watch the language, guys, in the comment section. All right. I'm gonna put somebody on the floor that haven't went. Who have not went all evening? We're having the same persons going over and over and over. Guys, we want the shy persons them to get a chance to, so they can come out of them shyness.
Sir, may I explain?
Who is it?
Sir, Kiara.
Excuse me, sir. I
Kiara, give
was
somebody
supposed.
else a chance who have not gone. Tell
Sir,
somebody
the
who have
answer is
not
A.
gone
Sir,
at
I have
all.
not gone yet. Sir,
Who,
I have not
Anne-Marie?
gone. Yes, miss. Yes, sir.
All right, you want to go? Guys, there
Yes,
could be
sir.
somebody who have not gone because every time it's the same persons.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, for my answer, I put A, English language arts. So what I did, I started from the last number, which is 8, and I went over to 1. But instead of saying 1, I continued by 9, and then I keep on counting from 9 until I reach 21,
Oh, so you
which
did it
is
like this: English,
English language
science.
arts.
All right.
Sir, I think me too.
Sir, can I, sir, today, can I go ahead and,
What you got? You got a different answer?
no, same answer, sir, but different explanation.
All right.
So
What you
you
did?
have 10. So, sir,
Yeah, man. Go ahead. Go ahead.
so I realized each time they add, so first I realized that for the two last part and 4, which is mathematics, day 4, which is mathematics, next they add 4 days again, which makes it mathematics again. So next I added 4 again, which is equal to 12, and that would make it mathematics.
Okay.
And then I add 4 again, which that would make it day 16, that would make it mathematics again. And then I add 4 again, which would make it 20, with 20 would equal to mathematics, and then I went over and add 1 to make it day 21, and then I got my answer, which is English language arts.
Okay, I agree. Good job,
Yes, sir.
guys.
I
Good
agree
job.
with him too, sir.
I like the
That
method that
Me
you
too,
guys
sir.
choose. I think the
I was
safest
just
one.
doing the addition.
Yeah, just continue doing that. Very good. You guys are awesome. All right, 32 says if no digits are repeated, how many different 4-digit numbers can be made with 5, 6, 7, and 8?
4, sir.
Oh, the person's calling me, guys. I can't take the call now. But work out that one, guys. Somebody work it out and volunteer. Anyone can take that one.
Sir, me.
Yeah,
Sir,
all right.
me,
Kiara
sir.
will. I'm gonna take more than one person's for this one. This one is very interesting. If no digits are repeated, how many 4-digit can be made with 5, 6, 7, and 8?
Sir, can I explain as well?
Definitely. Yeah.
Sir, can Dana go?
Yeah, man.
Okay, sir, my answer is A, 4. And the reason why I pick A because, sir, you can use 5 to make a 4-digit. You can use 8. You can use each number themselves. And there are 4 numbers, and you can use the 4 number themselves.
Sir, doesn't it mean that numbers are repeated within the answer? As in the different numbers or digits are repeated within it? Sir?
All right. Go ahead. Who is next?
Sir, me, sir. Sir, I'm
Yeah, go
asking
ahead.
if it, where it says if no digits are repeated, as in within the numbers which you're creating, sir?
I
Or
think what it means for each number that you're gonna choose. There can, so like for example, you cannot have 4, 4, 6, 7, but you can have you must have the 4 digits in each one, so you
okay.
can have a repeat. Yeah.
Sir, before I tell you my answer, sir, let me just go. So, sir, you can have 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let me write it as you talk. Hold on.
Yes, sir, other number. So you can have one number 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you can have, sir, 5, 7, 6, 8. And sir, you can have 5, 8, 6, 7.
Oh.
6, 7. Sir, and then you can have 5. Then you can have 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 8, 7. So and then you can have 5, so then you can have 5, 8, 7, 6. Sir, and then you can have 5, 7, 8, 6. And then sir, you can have 6, 5, 7, 8.
Well,
Sir,
you're gonna
I
go through all of
agree.
those. You're gonna go through all of them, right? Do
Sir,
we
I
have to go
really
through all of
agree,
them?
sir.
Doesn't have
The
to go
answer
through
is
all of them, sir.
Sir, you
No.
can have
The
24.
amount of times you have to
Yeah,
go
you
for the
don't have to
first
go through
one.
all the sir, but I'm just showing how many different numbers can be.
Yeah, but what I'm
Alright.
saying, if you're in a test and you do this and you
Sir,
get those for
It would
5,
take
do
longer,
you
yes, sir.
necessarily have to go for all of them? Do you have to do it for 6, 7, and 8? Do
No,
you have
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
you
Just
can
put
have
the
Sir,
4
amount of
times
numbers
4,
there and then you
sir.
times it by
Sir,
the
can
amount
I
of
You can
explain,
multiply
numbers.
4
sir?
times
yes,
4, which
sir.
is 16, sir. And sir, when you do it out, sir, you'll get 16 numbers.
Hold on. You think it's 16?
No,
Excuse
sir.
me, sir, can I explain this too, sir?
24.
24.
Sorry,
Yeah,
24,
go
sir.
ahead. Go ahead. Quickly. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. So she gave you all of the digits, sir. That's 5. can made with 5, 6, 7, and 8, sir. Sir, I would go 24, sir.
Yeah, that makes sense, guys, because based on the time factor, we don't want to go through every single one. But our mathematics knowledge can tell us that if we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're gonna do it for the same with
Sir,
6,
if you
right?
count it, you're going to get the answer.
Yeah,
You could
When
have
you multiply
multiplied
6 4 is
the
24, sir.
yeah, I agree.
sir,
Good
you
job,
could have
good job.
multiplied amount of
I
the
knew it.
digits. Sir, I'm saying that for number 32, you could have add the digit to look at the amount of numbers that are there, and then there are 6 numbers, and there are 4 numbers that you have to make with in 4 digit numbers. So when you multiply the 6 by the 4, you get 24. So that would be your answer for.
Okay. All right, thanks so much. 33 says, Carl plans to give Popsicle to everyone in his class. There are 25 people in his class. Each person will get 1 Popsicle. It is cheaper for Carl to buy packages rather than individual bars. What additional information is needed to determine how many packages of popsicle he must buy? A says the price of a package of popsicle.
I have my
B,
answer.
wait now guys, the store where the popsicle may be purchased. C, the purchase of 1 popsicle. D, the number of popsicle in each package. Now somebody can take the floor.
Sir, can I say my answer?
Excuse
Yeah,
me,
Davia,
sir.
go ahead.
So
Hello, Davia first.
my answer is D because it says there are 25 people in Carl's class and each person will get 1 popsicle. It says it is cheaper for Carl to buy a package rather than individual bars. So you'd want to know how much comes in each package to know how much packages you would buy to provide to everyone in the class.
Yeah, I agree
Okay.
with you.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
What time is class supposed to end?
Guys, I'd said that already. Class end. Those who want to go, they are free to go. I did say it. Sorry about that. Class ended half an hour
Sir,
ago. Hmm?
can I use the bathroom, please?
Yeah, man, go ahead. All right, 34. Which is a reasonable estimate of the amount of water needed to fill a fish tank that fits on a small deck? 1 liter, 10 liter, 100 liters, or 1,000 liters? I don't think this question is so necessary, but we're gonna look at it same way.
Sir, can I say this one, sir?
Yeah, go ahead. What do you think, Brian?
So what I think for number 34 is C, because if it was like 1 liter, it would be like
Pepsi
the
bottle.
size. It would be like a size of a little small desk, because if it was 100 liters now, it'd be like on a small desk, like ones that have drawers, or other desks wouldn't be able to fit a bed, but still it's would it be like compatible for a desk,
Yeah, I say A.
sir?
You
Later.
say A,
I say so.
Yeah, I say A, sir.
why A?
Because sir, if it's like a small little lunches and other sir, it could be like those round ones or like rectangular ones, sir. So, sir, I'm estimating it out to a little bit because if to fit one on a small desk, so the desk can be like a mediocre size or something. So I'm estimating it out to a little, sir. Because, sir, usually I think if you want a liter of fish, for every little program to
If I was on it, I wanna be next to you.
Sir, I said B.
I said C.
Guys, I know Kira said 1 liter. Nathan, stop the singing, please. Guys, let's look at this way. 1 liter, you know, a Pepsi bottle was about 600 milliliters.
Yes, sir.
So I don't think it's 1 liter because them fish they are probably drown. Because when you throw 1 liter, that now go high in the aquarium, you know. Them are go dead. So I think it's between these. I don't think we need 100.
I'm going with B.
I think it's more B. But as I said, I don't really like this
I
question.
think it's C.
But it could be B or C because what is a small dex really? We don't really have
I don't really like this question, sir.
yeah, we don't really have a definition for small dex. So yeah, anything or anything there. So all right, the pictograph below shows the number of goals when they score over 4 weeks. Week 1.
Excuse me, sir. Can I do this one?
Miss, can I explain this?
Well, guys, I want somebody fresh. You have one set of persons fighting for them. We want the others to get a chance to go. All right, week 2, we can see the number is 3. Week 3, 4, and then week 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's a 1 goal represent 4.
4. Sir,
If the trend continues, hold on, Nathan, hold on.
Sorry.
If the trend continues, how many goals will Wendy most likely score in week 6? So work out this, guys.
Can I explain this?
And then we can take 2 persons.
Sir, can I explain this, sir?
Yeah, Nathan, but I don't want us to
So what
rush
time
it
do we
over
leave
so
again,
you know.
sir? 6:30.
Oh, we can leave anytime we want, guys.
Sir, am I explaining?
Everybody's free to go whenever they are ready. I did say it earlier. Alright?
Alright, sir.
Class ends from 6 o'clock.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you how I got the answer, sir.
Yeah, man, you can explain.
As you can see, the pattern, sir, is short. It says if the trend continues, how many goals will Wendy most likely score in week 6? Alright, sir. In week 1, sir.
Somebody in our background, man.
Sir, and I was saying, sir, as you can see, the pattern, sir, it keep on adding more, sir. So week 1 would have 4, week 2 would have 6, week 3 would have no, week 2.
That person, you can mute yourself, please, with the man and the lady in the background. Who is that? That's you, Nathan?
Sorry, sir, it's my
no, that's it. It's okay. That's why.
Okay, sir. So I was saying, sir, week 1.
Just say the answer. Just say the answer.
Say the answer?
Yeah, what's the answer?
I would the answer is D.
All right. Next person, please.
Me, sir. Sir, me.
All right. Go ahead. Somebody with a clear background. Because it's kind of hard to hear with the persons talking. Go ahead. Somebody with a clear background. Who is that?
Me, sir.
All right. Go ahead, Dana.
Okay, sir. So my answer is D, sir, because represents 4. 2 times 4.
Bad internet, man.
3, sir. You have 4 balls. 4 will give you 6.
Sir, I'm not hearing.
Yeah, our internet connection bad. Sorry about that, Dana. Somebody.
Okay.
Somebody else.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Chandri, make Chandri. I don't hear him from there. Chandri, go ahead. You want to go?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead. I haven't heard you all day.
Okay, sir. As you can see in week 1, one ball represents 4 goals, sir. And in week 2, we can see that the 4 and plus the 4 equals to 8, and if we add another 4 equals to 12, sir. And the pattern is that it goes up by 2 and goes down by 1 every week, sir. So for 5, it would be 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Week 20, no, week 5 would be 28 goals. And week 6.
Oh, all right. How many for week 4? You didn't give me that one. How many for week 4?
24 goals, sir. And for week 5, that would be 28 goals, sir.
Sir, I knew it was these, sir.
No, Nathan. No, Nathan. Please don't do that. Don't interrupt him. Go ahead, Chandri. Continue.
And as for week 6, it would be 4 plus 4, 8. And we have 12, then 16, 20, 24, 28, and it goes up by 4 more goals, so that would be 8. So I would think that the answer would be 36.
They say add 8 to this.
Excuse me, sir, can I explain, please?
Sir,
Yes,
can I
take the
explain
next
it
one.
into a short way?
No, guys, it's fine. I think you did a great job. The first presenter said 9, but think about it. If it's 9, 1 represent 4. So 9 4 is 36. We can't allow them to
So
trick
I
us like
picked
that in the
36,
exam.
not 9, sir.
I thought I heard 9. All right, no problem. If the pattern continues,
Sir,
how
remember
many
I'm
small squares will
explaining.
be in figure 5? If the pattern continues, how many would be in figure 5? Work out that, guys.
So can I explain?
All right, I'm
Can
gonna
I
give
explain, sir?
Jonathan. Guys, somebody that haven't gone as yet. Jonathan will go then.
No, sir, since you said someone that didn't win, sir, you
Oh, you
can
went already. I remember see who
Yes,
never
sir.
go. Somebody
Excuse
who
me,
never
sir, you
go
said that I
all
could
day.
explain 36.
Cassie, you go 5 times already, you know, Cassie. No one else want to go?
Yes, sir. Me.
Sir,
No,
I
man.
can.
Me talk somebody who haven't gone as yet. Me not talk Dana and those persons who go many times. Somebody in the class that I don't know, you know.
I go.
Sir.
Yeah, man. Who is that now?
Jaden, sir.
Yeah. Somebody went never go. Go. Guys, you don't
So,
want one person to go do every one of them. That's just I don't feel it's
Sir,
Sir,
if no one's volunteers, I'm here.
yeah,
I
sir,
that's
never.
different.
Can I explain?
Jaden just a
All right, so you will go after Jaden. I think somebody named Jaden wants to go. And then Osira.
Yes, sir.
All right, go
So,
ahead, Jaden.
sir, for the second one, sir, you add 2. And then for the third one, sir, you add 3. Then for the fourth one, you add 4. So for the fifth one, you're going to add 5. And then now for the fourth one, it's 10. So you're going to add 5 to the 10, and then you get 15, sir. My answer is C.
C. All right, go ahead, Osira. Let me see if you say the same thing.
Sir,
It's the same thing, sir, but I don't want to explain anymore because it's just I thought it was only just one person.
Yeah, but it no matter, Osira, we have many students, so
Sir, can
there's
I
nothing if we
explain?
share. Go ahead, propose.
So, sir, for figure 5, you would have to add 5 for each block, and for the in-between section, you would have to add 5 again. So that would be 15.
All right, let us see. So basically, we started off with 1, right? Then they added, call it 2, because 1, this end up being 3. We could see if
Sir,
the
I will
pattern
cut
continues.
off soon, sir, as my device is about to die.
All right, take care. Osh. So they add 2 as somebody said, because this was 3 and then this ended up being 5, right? Says as, and then this now, let's see if this is 7, based on what you guys are saying. This should end up being 7.
Sir, you missed out 1 for number 3.
Oh, yeah. So 6. Sorry for the counting. The computer give me a bad mileage. So these are 3, 4,
Sir, it would be 8.
5, 6,
Sir, it is 10.
7, 8.
9.
Why am I getting 9? You guys show the
Sir,
pattern
you
that
have
you...
1 2 times.
Oh, yeah, from up here, so. Oh, that happened. Computer, yeah, weird. All right. So guys, what's the pattern do?
Sir, it's adding
It's adding like the previous number, so sir, you would have 1, so that's 2, then 3 plus 3, which is 6. So it's increasing by 1 each time the numbers which you're adding, sir. So then 3 plus 4, which is 10. So then 10 plus 5, which is going to equal 15.
Sir, it's 15.
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead, Raji.
can I show you something?
Go ahead.
Do you realize that like the amount of figures they add what figure? Okay, so if 10 is right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you realize that that is figure 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
That we're looking for figure 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it would look like they're adding the previous amount plus the figure
All right. So how much, what you
plus
think the
the
answer
numbers
would be?
of the
What
figure.
you think the answer would be? What you think the answer would be? All right, this is what I think is happening.
50.
I think this would be figure 5. Tell me if you agree.
Sir,
Because
I disagree with 15.
Yes.
whatever this add up to be, I think that's it. Because look, it's like with each figure, they put the number and then they put 1 consecutive after it. So they start off with 1, so that the next number will be 0, right? All right, they have 2 and then they have 1. They have 3, 2, 1. Then you have 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm thinking 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the total of that? 5 and 4 is 9.
Yes, sir,
Then
plus
12.
15.
15, same way, guys.
Sir,
Yeah.
I kind of disagree.
Okay.
Sir, I agree. It's 15.
Yeah, I agree as well.
Let me explain this one, sir.
All right, 37. After being cut, a rectangular shape got, oh God, I remember this one. This one is tedious.
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
I'm not bothering you, but what time are you going to finish class?
I don't have a time. I still have to go though. Let me see what I go on YouTube.
Sir, when the paper is finished, I'm going to leave. That's the time.
All right. So Jonathan want to do this one. Go ahead, Jonathan.
Sir, it says after being cut, a rectangular shaped glass should be 15.4 centimeters long and 10.3 centimeters wide, with an acceptable tolerance of 0.14 centimeter for each meter.
Remember, after the decimal point, we got digit, right? We don't say 14.1, yeah.
Yes, sir. Refers to the difference between the expected measure and the actual measurement. When the glass is actually cut in, it measures 15.52 centimeter long and 10.15 centimeter wide, based on the tolerance, which best describes the length and the width of the cut piece of glass. So, sir, I would say, sir, my answer is A, sir, because, sir, as I did read the statement, sir, I realized, sir, that the length, sir, it's actually larger than the width, sir. So that's why I said A, sir.
Okay. All right. Do we agree? What about the others on the class? Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Are everybody tired? Yes, all right, let's look at it. It says after being cut, a rectangular shaped glass should. I could put in the should and all of that. Let me try draw it because this can be a bit tricky. Don't think it's that easy. So let's say after it cut, it should be, the length should be 15.4. So we're going to put in that amount, 15.4. That's what it should be, right? All right, cool. And it says now, and the width should be 10.3. So I could drop in that, As I said earlier, have it in front of you. All right. With an acceptance tolerance of 0.14 centimeter for each measure. That means if the difference is 0.14, it is good. All right. If it's a difference of 0.14, it's good. So them say no. When the glass is actually cut, it measures 15.52. What's the difference here? 15.52. That person mute yourself, please. If your parents talking, guys, just mute yourself. So this is the measurement. The actual measurement is 15.2 for the length, right? All right. The next one says no. The width is 10.15. These are the actual, We should change the color of the actual cut. Let me change this to red because I don't want us to confuse it. Let me see if I can change it to red. So we know which one are blue. So what the red there? Red the panic, man. What are going? So these are red, right? These are the actual one where them cut and get. Which one was this? The 15.4 was the one that we actually work with. Which one are the? Yeah. So 15.4. Those person on YouTube, guys, I can't take any call now. When the class finish, I respond to everyone. So look, the different. Oh, this changed too. Because I should have two separate boxes. Hold on. Kira, you can mute your mic, Kira, please. All right, so this is our 15.4. I don't remember the unit. Let me look again. Yeah, one up 15.4. That's in a block. All right, cool. So this.
Excuse me, sir. Can I ask the question?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
How did you get the 10.5?
It was given. It was given.
Oh, okay.
Let us go back down there. See there? It's a 10.5.
So I have to go, sir, on Tuesday.
Yeah, man,
sir.
take care. Yeah, take care.
Have
So
a
it's
good
10,
night, sir.
you as well. So it's 10.52 and 50. But guys, the tolerance have a difference. So what's the difference here for the length?
So it
What's the
says
difference?
3.15.
What's the difference here for the length? The tolerance means that it can be close to this, but that are the maximum. So once it's within the range of the 0.14, it good. Because the accuracy are deal with, you know. So if you have 0.14 accuracy or less, it good. So is this, what's the difference here? The difference is 12, right? 0.12. So that is within the tolerance. All right, I could look on the one here now. This at 10.30 and this at 10.5. What's the difference between 10.3 and 10.52?
2.2.
22.
0.22, right? 0.22. So does that 0.22, that means say it's too big, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
so the
I
length
think
is good.
2 is
Yeah.
within the
So
range.
I'm thinking the length is good, but the width is too big. So I could say,
Sir,
yeah, man, go ahead.
is it 10.15?
10.15.
It said when the glass is actually cut, it measures 15.52 centimeters long and 10.50, not 10.52.
Oh, when the glass is cut, it measures 15.2 centimeter long and 10.15 for the width. Oh, the width should have been 10.15. Or the width that.
Excuse me, sir.
Let me get the 30. This should have been 1.5, right?
Yes, excuse me, sir.
Other people, but I don't know who.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead, Brian.
Sir, it's not Brian, it's Jonathan. Sir, the person who said 10.15, sir, how you say that, sir? It's wrong, sir, because after the decimal
10.15.
point, sir,
Yeah.
it's not going to be a whole number. So you said 10.15 instead.
I think I made an error and put 10.30. I'm not sure where that came from. All right, it said after being cut, a rectangular shape should be 15.4. Oh, yeah. Centimeter long and 10.3. Yeah, man, it's 10.3 for true. This is the one where it's supposed to be. So the 10.3 should have been there. This is what it should be, you know. All right, and then we are compare. These are the actual now. 15.52 and 10.15. Oh, so the error did there. All right, so this one now, the actual should be 10.15, 10.30 rather. But when they cut it, it's 10.52. So the difference is 0.22. So everything kind of correct. In terms, apart from this was incorrect. I put the wrong number by mistake. But apart from that, it good. So we can compare now. The one in black should be the actual where it's supposed to be. And this one in red is what they actually cut. So what's the problem? They say A, the length is acceptable, but the width is too short. The width too short or too long?
Too long, sir.
Too long. Yeah. So we can't accept this. So no A. All right. B says.
So, sir, it has to be B.
Wait, I can see what B said. B said the length is acceptable, but the width is too long.
So, sir, it is B.
Let me see what the others say. The length is too long.
Sir, B.
But the width is acceptable.
Sir, it
No,
is
the width
B.
not
It
acceptable.
cannot be C and
it's B, sir.
The length is too long.
Yeah,
and
it's
the
actually
width
B.
is too short.
Yeah, it's B. All right. So that one was pretty tedious.
Sir, it's B.
Yeah, it's B. B for sure. All right, this one says, Frankie is playing a game where he chose a 6-sided die. Everybody know a 6-sided die, right? And
Yes,
toss is a
sir.
coin.
Yes,
The
sir.
6-sided die has the numbers 0 to 5, while the coin has sides, heads and tail, which is not a possible result when Frankie tosses both the coin and the die. Which one
Sir,
it can get?
60. Sir, 6. Sir, 60. 6. 6.
Why Israel
6
Brian?
tails, 6 tails,
6
not
tails.
60.
Yeah,
Reason why?
why?
Because the six-sided die has the numbers 0 to 5, while
Very
the
good.
coin has heads and tails.
Very good.
Even though
There's no
there's
6.
tails,
Yeah.
but there's no 6, there's no number 6, so the answer is B as in boys.
Excuse me,
Very
sir.
good. Yes,
Give me
Jonathan, go ahead.
sir, can I mention something as well, sir?
Yeah,
Sir,
man,
is
you
that
can.
when I looked at it, sir, I realized they mentioned 0 to 5.
Yeah.
What they actually mentioned is 0 to 5, not higher. Sir, it can be equal to 5 or lower than 5, sir.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's why it's B, sir.
Very good.
Because 6 is higher than 0 to 5. So that's why it's B.
Yeah.
All right. Very good.
Yeah.
All right. So for those
Can I
person who
explain?
asking, for those person who asking, oh, you can join the class, guys. When class finish, I get to you.
Yeah.
This is the last two, guys. We stop here. Big up to all who stay for YouTube. Some of my students left. So big up to all who stay on YouTube.
Yes,
All
sir.
right? Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. They don't want
Yes, sir.
No, guys, I don't want to say they don't want to learn. I mean, they're tired and you budget for 1 hour and then you end up going 2. So you guys stop, as a Travis,
Sir,
kudos to you guys.
sir, I don't understand math, so I have to stay.
Yeah. It's okay, man. But you could watch the
Yeah, but you're
playback. They
still
can watch the
learning.
playback, guys.
But sir, you're still learning.
Yeah.
Even
And
if
you
you
can
don't
watch the
understand it,
playback
you're
too,
still
guys, because it's
learning.
gonna be on YouTube. And that's the beauty of the YouTube classes. Sometimes when I do live on TikTok, I always say to them, you know, I should be doing this on YouTube because if somebody miss it, they can actually catch the video and watch it to the end.
Yes, sir. So that's
Yeah.
what I've been doing before they join the
Sir,
classes,
go
sir.
to number
Yeah,
39
many people do
now,
that,
Because
sir.
guys.
I've
Many
always
people.
been looking up
But
on
parents, listen out, parents, because you always do that to me. Do not wait and the child get beginners in grade 4, then you put him in my class. Let me teach them from grade 4 so them can get highly proficient in a grade
Sir,
4, grade 5, and grade 6.
I've been in this class from 2nd grade.
Awesome.
Sir, the reason why I never was here was because I never knew about your channel.
Yeah, I
And when
know.
I was in grade 4, I heard about your channel and I joined.
All right.
Me
Awesome.
neither, sir. I haven't heard about your channel until grade 4, grade
Yeah.
6.
I forgot to start do more work, guys, so people know me before, because I want the students from grade 4. Because I don't want you to get beginners, because guess what? You see, if you can get the highest grade from grade 4, normally everybody, 90% of who in grade 5 got highly proficient last year. So you know, so that was really good. So we just have to maintain that for grade 6. Yeah, yeah. So when I don't want the grade 4 to chew off your thing.
Sir, it's my aunt who suggested you.
Yeah, big up your aunt for me. Tell her I say thanks.
Sir, may I explain this one?
Yeah, you can. This is the last two, guys. Thanks for everyone for staying. Those persons messages me, I soon reply to all of them, guys. All of them. All of them
Sir,
I reply. Yeah, man, go
explain.
ahead.
Sir, number 39
So we're
is
gonna take the two
Sir,
persons.
sir,
Osira is one and then somebody else. Who else will?
sir, can I take the next one, sir?
40. All right, so 40 is Brian, which is Israel Brian. 2 Brian, you know. All right, go ahead. There's 4 banners on a flagpole. The yellow banner is higher than the blue banner, but lower than the red. The green banner is lower than the blue banner. Which answer lists the banners in order from the lowest to the highest? Yeah, man, go ahead, guys.
Yes, sir.
Because can I explain number 39?
The answer.
Provost, we have 2 persons already. Here?
Sir, you said it was.
Oh, sir, why can't I be the third one?
All right, so you want Brian do 40 then, no problem. I think
Sir,
when the son want go away because of
sir.
7 o'clock.
Sir, may I please explain 39 now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Brian further
Um,
for number 42.
All right, Brian, allow this presenter for 39. Go ahead. What's the
the
answer?
answer is C.
C as in cat?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you get it, Garrett. Explain.
So, sir, they said the yellow banner is higher than the blue banner, but lower than the red. The green banner is lower than the blue. So the green would come first.
That me right what
Then
you say.
the green would come first. Then the blue.
Go again.
Then yellow. Then red.
All right. Let me check with your the others to see if they agree. This is what she said. Look at it, guys, and tell me if you
Sir,
agree.
I agree.
I don't
Agree, sir. Sir, I agree, sir.
All right. We have one person disagreeing.
Sir,
What's the
I
other?
don't.
I'm sure me the teacher give the girl a chance.
Yeah, man, go ahead now.
Please.
Who said they
Sir, I
disagree?
disagree. Sir, I disagree.
All right, go ahead, Dana. What's
I also disagree, sir. Sir, I
Sir,
disagree.
well, no, one at a time. Dana, go ahead.
Sir, I disagree because I said D is my answer because for the last part it's
All right, pause for a cause.
Sir, can I explain? Sir,
Wait, no, guys, Reggie. No shock it down, man. Let her finish. Dana, yes, you were saying that the last part, I think you're agreeing now, basically, right? All right, I think she agree as well now. So, Raji, what you were
Sir.
saying, go ahead.
Sir, can I explain?
Go ahead, Gabriel.
So I got B for my answer.
B as in bat?
Yes, sir.
All right. Explain
Because
why.
reason
Or
how
B as in boy.
is because it says that the yellow banner is higher than the blue banner but lower than the red banner. So that means the red banner is basically the highest banner. Then it says the green banner is lower than the blue banner. And then the reason why yellow banner is the next one because it says that the yellow banner is higher than the blue banner. And then after the yellow banner, the blue banner. The reason why I chose the blue banner for the next one because it says the green banner is lower than the blue banner. And the green banner is the lowest. That's why I got C for my answer.
But
Excuse me,
you're
sir.
basically agreeing with them,
Excuse me,
technically.
sir. No,
Wait, Jonathan.
sir.
Wait, Jonathan.
What she did not read, sir.
But remember, it said
hold
lowest
on,
to
hold
highest.
on, hold on. But sir, what she did not read, sir, it says which answer list the banners in order from the lowest to the
That's why I
highest.
said that.
It
That's why I said she's
cannot be
agreeing with you.
B because you put it to the highest to the lowest and it asks
Me,
lowest to
I
the
said it
highest.
cannot be B also, sir.
So it have to be C, sir. She did not read the question, sir.
I kind of agree with Jonathan because
C.
she
Yes,
started
sir,
with
it
the
cannot be
highest
B.
first.
It has to be
Yes,
C,
sir,
sir.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree with
Guys,
Jonathan
we're not
also.
quarreling, we are discussing. I think everybody's kind of, yeah, I agree. Based on that, what she said is like she turned it around. So it says from the lowest to the highest, But I think she kind of did from the highest to the lowest. So guys, be careful when you're reading the question. All right? I'm not going to even check it. I trust you guys so much. I'm not going to check it for myself. If it's, I believe you guys that it is C. 40 now. And it's the end of this. Pick up to everybody who stay. He said Janet plans to wear a t-shirt and pants to school barbecue. She has 3 shirts.
Ego.
Red, blue, and yellow. She has 3 pair of pants, white, black, and green. How many different combination of outfits can Janet put together? Those girls in the comment section, who love dress up, dress up. What's the answer? Let me check YouTube.
Sir,
Hmm?
I chose 9.
9.
I chose
All right.
9, sir.
Sir, I chose 6.
Yes,
That's
sir. I
A.
agree with 9.
Sir, I disagree with that. I agree with 6.
I agree with 6 also.
Okay.
I agree with 6, sir.
All right. So it's 6 or 9. Gavin from YouTube says 9.
No, sir. It's 9. No, sir. I changed my mind. It's 9.
Okay. It's 9.
Sir, my answer
Party
is
says 9.
Sir, my answer is 9, sir. Sir,
Tim
not
said
because
9.
the other person said 9, sir, because
Violet
of
said
how I
9.
looked at it, sir.
Me
Sir.
too. Me too, Jonathan.
Sir, can I explain why I say 6? The
Yeah.
reason why I say 6 is because it says he has 3 t-shirts, red, blue, and yellow. It's not saying that he has 3 red shirts and 3 blue shirts and 3 yellow shirts. It's
But that
directly
doesn't
saying
explain. That doesn't explain. Sir, can I explain it more better?
no.
Wait, let him finish.
Exactly, because we can do different outfits with those.
I'm trying to
Exactly,
say
you
that.
can have black and white.
Guys, I'm trying to say something.
Go ahead, Brian. We're listening.
So,
Okay,
sir,
sir.
that would equal 3
But
shirts.
sir,
And
me
then,
nothing.
Brian, allow him to finish, please. The other Brian, allow him, please. Go ahead,
and then
Brian.
you have 3 more. Who was it? That would be the pods. The pods would be 3. So I would say my answer would be 6 because 3 plus 3 would equal 6.
All
It
right.
wouldn't
Thanks so
be
much.
9.
Thanks so much. All
Sir,
right.
can I
The
explain?
other Brian, go ahead. Israel Brian, go ahead.
Sir,
Why
even
it's
though
9?
the 6 part is kind of right, but you still need to combine them. So, sir, so you can use colors or whatever you can do, sir. So, red combined with white pants. Red combined with white pants. Black combined with blue shirt combined with black pants. And yellow shirt combined with green pants. Or you can switch it around and say blue shirt combined with green pants, red shirt combined with black pants, and yellow shirt combined with white pants. Or you can do it again and say blue combined with white pants, red combined with green pants, and yellow combined with black pants. So it's actually 9 combinations, and that's how I got my 9.
Yeah. I agree with the 9.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you now.
over to the
Let me break
9.
it down, guys. So for the t-shirt, boom. You can't, I could start with the t-shirt. 3 t-shirts you have, I could say the first one are red. I think you explain it perfectly. So you can have this. You can wear red pants with, let me see the color, white, Valentine bead. Boom, green. What you call that party there? GLP, no, red and green, no, sir. That not go together. And then you have red and black, right? So that a 3 set you can have from the 1 pants there, or the 1 t-shirt there. All right, let's look at our next combination. Blue. You can wear a blue pants with same color, white, black, and green, right? Because of them, they're the combination. But a 6 already, You know, wear your yellow shirt yet. Wear your shirt. You beat your yellow shirt. with your white pants or whatever. If a shorts, no matter. And then you have the black and the green. Them they, I will beat them there. So guys, you see, so when if you have enough clothes.
Exactly.
Yes,
So
thank you,
this is
sir.
one outfit. Yeah, so each t-shirt can wear with 3 pants. So
Sir.
that's a 3
Sir,
plus
I
3.
switch over to the 9
Yes,
because
sir.
now
Yeah,
I understand
yeah.
what you
Brian, that
said.
is why I say you have to write down. The
Sir,
others
So
did
that's
that,
what
but you
I
did.
did,
sir, you
sir.
can mix
Yeah.
and match, sir. Sir,
If you Brian, the other one, you could have, if you didn't write it down, you only say 6 because you're adding it. But
Yeah.
if you actually write it down and put the red, blue, and yellow, and then combine it with the different pairs of pants, that's how I got my 9.
Yeah. So
You
Brian,
only
listen to the
combine
next
the
Brian.
3
I agree.
pairs of t-shirt. Yes, sir.
yes,
Yeah.
sir, that's what, because, sir, I said to myself, you have to put 2 to make 1, sir, which means you have to put 1 shirt and 1 pants to get 1 whole.
All right. So guys, we have come to the end of the paper. I enjoyed it, guys. I enjoyed it. I hope you
Bye,
guys.
sir.
Yeah, I hope
Me
you
too,
guys
sir. I
enjoyed it.
Bye,
enjoyed it.
sir.
All right.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
guys. Big up to all who
Sir.
stay. Big up to all who
Bye,
left
Bye,
early. I
sir.
sir.
hope you guys watch the playback. Take care. Those on
Bye, sir.
YouTube asking about the class, guys, just give me about half an hour to get back to everyone. My inbox full up. So I'm gonna
Bye,
respond
sir.
eventually. Bye. Take care. I will respond to you guys.
Have
All
a
right.
good evening, sir.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Bye,
And guys,
sir.
remember the marathon is this Tuesday, only 1,000 Jamaican dollars. A boy
Bye,
called
sir.
me and he said that he thought it was at 1,000 US dollars. So big up that you there. Hope him parents make him join.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care. It was good, guys. It was a good class. I really enjoyed it. And thanks to all who stayed the extra 1 hour. I really appreciate that.
Sir,
Big up to
excuse
all my
me.
subscribers on YouTube. Please ensure, guys, that you watch the ads them. Because that's how I get paid plus the views. If you think me deserve it, watch the ads them. 30 seconds, not bad. Yeah, man, go ahead.
Um, the ability test that we're having this Thursday for grade 6. Do you know it?
No, I don't know it. But people always think I do because I do so many papers and then they're gonna see so many questions similar to it. So what they think that I knew all along. But no, guys, I don't know it. But I think that my students will do excellent because we have been preparing from October. Plus, we have marathon in December, and I'm still extending the marathon to this Tuesday. So I think you guys will do well. You know, I think that I'm really comfortable with you guys. My only issue is I want you guys to take your time, read the questions, and answer it. No rush. But I
Okay,
don't know
thank
it,
you,
guys.
sir.
Yeah. I get that a lot, though. A lot of people ask me that. And some people even say, You're selfish. You don't want to share it with me. I said, What? I don't know it. And they still think I know it. But
Sir, it's because most of the papers I have done, you already did them. That's why.
yeah, I think that's it. So they think that I did it before, but I don't know the paper, guys. But I know whatever is coming, my students will be ready. That's what I know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care.
You too.
Yeah. All right. So guys, pick up everyone on YouTube. End of this. Those who want to be a part of the marathon, just WhatsApp upon the number here. Text marathon. I send you the banking info. You pay just 1,000 Jamaican dollars, and that's it. All right. But big up everybody for coming out. Mr. Bennett, appreciate you all. I'm out.